I think the challenge, number one challenge is funding. And we've had that right from the start. Funding, very limited funding. Second challenge is access to proper facilities. And we've had no access. We used to train under a tent. We used to train under trees.
Was this back then?
Back, I'd say 20 years ago. Okay. And we trained under tents, and we actually won a medal at the Commonwealth Games from training outside under tents. We won a bronze in 2002, Commonwealth Games, Manchester, and a silver. And that's from training out at tents with limited one barbell and a set, and everybody used to go round, merry-go-round to train on one set. We had about a team of 10 training under that tent and one barbell.
Men and women.
Yeah, and they used to, everybody take a turn. So yeah, it was very hard. One platform, one old beat-up plywood. But we've struggled right along until recently, probably in the last 10 years, we've been able to get a gym to train in and proper equipment, enough equipment from the Subsidy Games 2007, that's where our equipment came from. And up to now, but we're still struggling with funding to do it at a level that's the level where we are now, Commonwealth gold medalists or Olympic medalists. You really need these athletes to be fully funded at a level where they're funded everything. They're given the proper food, they're given a dietary, they're given everything, allowance so they can train full time, they can equipment to be provided, supplements to be provided, the physiotherapists, medical treatment, which we don't have access to. So all that, we're lacking all that. And what we're still doing it the hard way. The Bushman way, we still call it, but it's still been successful up to now. So I'm very proud of, I think the credit also has to go to the lifters. They worked very hard. They are there in the morning at 4 in the morning, and they're there every evening to the last training. Nobody misses training. So the credit has to go back to the lifters themselves. They've trained very hard under the program we've given to them, and they've disciplined their lives. And they deserve whatever that's coming to them. Yeah, the support was there. The atmosphere was great, and I think it's the best atmosphere you can compete in. And it's the best atmosphere to perform. So we got no complaints. We got no regrets. What's been done has been done. We produce the results, we missed out on some results, but that's how sport is. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, but we gave it our best.